What's up, guys? Chili Moose is back. We are in the new house, and I just want to show you guys this something real quick for you that have chairs that have been ruined by the children. Check this. So here we have some chairs. This one's not too bad. It's got a couple stains on them, but check this one out. It's like the kids spilled chocolate milk on it or whatever the case may be. But the wife picked up these little covers. Where'd you get them from? Amazon. She got them from Amazon. They come in sets of 6. So she got 2 of them. This is a 10-person table. And all you're gonna need is a drill and a long screw bit like this. All right, so let me show you real quick. This is what it looks like. Big difference, huh? Look at that. Would you guys want to sit on that? Nope. How about this? Oh yeah. All right, so check it out. This is what it looks like. BUYUE. Installation of chair covers. All right. So first thing you do, grab said chair, flip it over. Very easy, folks. And this is why you need a long screw bit. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. So I have this from Bosch. It's got a little magnetic strip on there. Magnetize the screw bit and it'll help you pull these guys out. See that? Boom. Check it out one more time. Boom. All right, now remove the chair. Now you're left with the seat bottom, and you grab your slip mat. So there's a shorter side and a longer side. So you put these guys over as if you're putting sheets on your bed. Make sure it's all centered. Don't forget about these straps here. You got these straps. Okay. All right, you guys with me so far? Very easy. Just want to center it up a little bit. Okay, pull this here. And now you tie these guys together. Like so. And like this here. All right. And again, you know, so look right here, you can see where the screws go in. So you kind of leave those cleared because you don't want to pierce this fabric over here. All right, so we got that going. Now we put this back here, guys. Let this hang off the table a little bit. Put your chair back on there, and then you can put these screws back in the holes. Put the screws back in the holes, and then you kind of just line yourself up. Stanley, line yourself up. Now, take a look at this. The frame of the chair itself is going to pinch down on these cushions, so that'll also help keep everything tight. All right, so now you get your drill, right, guys? You back with me? There you go. You want to use a cross pattern. Okay. And then, all right, now check this out, guys. Boom. Look at how nice that looks. Take a look. See that? Now, doesn't that want to make you sit on this chair? Listen, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this and give me some comments. Let me know if you like videos like this. Either way, Chili Moose here. Peace.